Welcome back to this month aircraft guide system, and we this month are going to be working on the air system. So it's going to be this panel here, here, and here is what I'm going to be going over or having set up for you for this month to explore. Now, if you are a free member, this video you will be able to go over and I'll explain a little bit more of the system here. And if you are a paying member, you will be able to go over all these lights, buttons, and switches and find out about them. Now, this panel, the next panel was the air system, like I said, that was picked by Kuba Faulkner, who was our initial member of the first 50 founding members. And if you're part of that, the first 50 founding members, you get a discount. So instead of paying $5, you pay $4. It's actually $20 or 20% off per month. So that 20% off really starts to add up. So shout out to Kuba for choosing the air system. And now let's go into it. So this is the image for the Boeing 737 air system panel. And I'm going over the air system. And then what we want to do is show more. When we show more, we click here to go the air system on the overhead panel, or you can go and get the whole overhead panel, but you can look at all the lights, buttons, and switches, but haven't gotten them all of everything hooked up yet. So if we click on the air system panel hyperlink here, we go to the bleed air and pressurization panel, which is right here. So when we do that and we click on, you can see these things are interactive. When you click on dual bleed air, it takes you to the dual bleed air light, and you can see that what that indicates is that a bleed air valve is open and possible back pressure to APU is possible. That's due to having another pack running on the engine, and that the pressure from the engine from the fifth stage or ninth stage air is a lot more powerful than the APU, and it's pushing back into the APU and ruining the APU, so or could be ruining it. So that's what's happening, and we see up here you have general, and that takes you to the dual bleed air light, and then it goes into deeper what that all means. And also it tells you what to do, that the thrust must be limited to idle with the dual bleed light illuminated so you don't ruin the APU. Now the other thing we have here is the schematic, and with this schematic you can click on it and it will take you to